Hey guys, and welcome to a mechanic task guide farming part 1. For this one you need to fix 2 control boards on factory and survive and leave the area. So the way that you fix the control boards is through a set of tools. So there is 2 ways of doing this. On mechanic tier 1 you can do a trade for it, which is pliers, a screwdriver, wrench, tape and the measuring tape. That is quite an easy way to do it. Or you can just get it straight from the flea market as a set of tools. They're not really that expensive, around about 29k to 40k. Well, scrolling down a lot is 40k, but these are the 2 best ways to get your set of tools. You can find it in raid, but they are just in industrial spawns and there isn't any set spawns for these. You will need to buy 2. You cannot use these as multi-use. Once you've used it on one circuit board, then it will be deleted. A tip that I can give you is factory can be quite aggressive. If you have a alpha container, they are a 2x2 item and they'll fit just inside this little slot here. So I would recommend if you actually ran it as a hatchling and just completed it through here and don't have it inside your bag, so you can complete it over 2 raids. Now let's head into factory and I'll show you where they spawn. Okay, so we're inside factory. We're in the north room with these 2 tanks here. What we're going to do is head into forklift room, which is at the back right hand corner. So once you're inside forklift room, once again go to the back right corner and you can see here this is part 1. This is one of the circuit boards right here, and then the other one is right next to it. Just go down this hallway and you can see it flashing right here. Guys, once again I'd recommend if you did this in 2 trips, just because it's 40k or 30k for the set of tools, and just put it straight in your gamma container or alpha container. Hopefully you guys found this guide useful, and I'll see you in the next video.